welcome back for my morning report chart analysis video with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at dollar yen, which has just consolidated a touch. Yesterday's doji candle just sort of put the brakes on a little bit, and it's a similar sort of move that we've seen across the majors today, where the dollar is just unwound a touch, but you can see here its run of higher lows continues. And it's just sort of drifting back in that. I've put the dotted green line here at 108.95, which is that reaction low that we saw late last week, and that is where the support comes in now. Sort of 1950 to 108.95 is sort of a basis of support now, and so anything sort of in that area I think is a chance to buy. I think this the momentum indicators remain pretty strong, don't they? RSI just buzzing around 70, not really suggesting that there's going to be a significant correction. I think any sort of drift lower will be bought into. You've got that uptrend that comes in today at 108.40, and I think there is a little bit of room for a corrective slip, but ultimately I don't think it's going to go too far. It's likely to end up being, as the moves have been recently, likely to end up being just a mere consolidation sideways rather than a real correction. And I think it's likely to find support, as I said, around that 108.95 to 109 figure area, and that's the band that we have here of late last week. And if I split the crosshairs here, you can see that the market is already sort of finding that as a basis of support, the old breakout. So the unwinding move has already had the RSI back towards 40, a decent area to where the sort of buyers have tended to come back in. MACD lines on the hourly also back towards neutral, and the stochastics starting to sort of bottom out as well. So it could even be that this is starting to be the sort of area where the buyers will come back in. 110.50 is that old February high. You've had the market sort of testing 110 figure and just dropping back a touch, but I don't think 110 figure will be the limit. 110.50 is the next sort of area of resistance, and I think that's likely to be tested. So excuse me. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.